Did you get a shot of the asparagus?
No, ask her. I'm still recording, but ask her if she wants some more asparagus.
Want some more asparagus, Taisha? More asparagus? Okay, oops. Okay. Ta. Good girl.
Give her a mushroom.
No, I don't know if she wants mushrooms.
I'm gonna try.
Mushroom? No. Last one. Last one. Oh. Come on.
It's the way she chews.
Good girl.